Treasure Path to Soul Winning. Section 1. Assignment number 6. Reaction of sin in human nature. Described as coming from the heart. Mark 7:21. For from within, out of the heart of men, proceed evil thoughts, adulteries, fornications, murders. Manifests itself by many evils. Mark 7:22. Thefts, covetousness, wickedness, deceit, lasciviousness, an evil eye, blasphemy, pride, foolishness. Defiles the man and makes him unclean. Mark 7:23. All these evil things come from within, and defile the man. In this condition declared to be unprofitable. Romans 3:12. They are all gone out of the way, they are together become unprofitable. There is none that doeth good, no, not one. His wicked works prove him to be God's enemy. Colossians 1:21. And you, that were sometime alienated and enemies in your mind by wicked works, yet now hath he reconciled. Let's go soul winning.